car. Oh, wait. Oh, here it is. Hey folks, Internet Dude here. Today I'm out here at my favorite junkyard and let's see what we can find. Such a comfy couch. That's a comfy cruiser right there. Look at the size of that trunk. It's even bigger than my town car. Quite a few Grand Marquis here today. First town car I've seen that's my generation. If this one's been here a while, this might be the one that I robbed the... Oh, what did I rob off of it? I can't remember what color it was. I feel like this is the same car. I think I took the blower motor resistor from back there. I don't know for sure if this is the same car. Let's take a look inside. Let's see, the driver's door module is a popular item. And I can see the driver's door module there, so I may grab that one. Seems to be in hot demand. I hope you saw my driver's door module town car video. It's been quite popular, actually. I think I need that. I'm not sure. Holy, am I ever itchy from these weeds and bugs. This is crazy. Yeah, you might have to come home with me. Just going to get a picture of the VIN and the vehicle. It's the same trim level as mine, and it's actually the same year. It's built a month earlier than mine. Oh, the mirror thing I need. It's not on this car. Oh, wait. Oh, here it is. I need this little module. There's a tab. Oh no. See, there's a tab here and there's a tab here. My tab's broken on this side, but this one's broken on the other side. I don't know if I can glue that on or not. I'll take it and find out. Oh, lucky find. Free screwdriver. Do you want to know who owned this car last? No address. There's the name though. People seem to like these door pulls too. It's hard to see exactly how clean this piece of trim is, but mine has some corrosion on it. So I wouldn't mind getting another one if it's in good shape. That'll probably clean up because I don't see the same corrosion bits. I'll take it. I don't know if I actually want to take all of them. I feel like these are just a tiny bit different than the ones I have. So if I take one, I should probably take all four. I need my screwdriver. Oh, I see somebody took the whole rear differential out of this thing. You can see the air spring there. Here's the air spring. I just wanted to see how the bumper attaches without wrecking it. I think it just has clips. Oh no, there's a nut on the other side. Oh, this one looks like it maybe has that corrosion I was talking about. This one's a little more dinged up too. But that's what I was talking about, these little points like that. That's similar to mine. Alrighty then. Yeah, I can't remember if these are exactly the same as mine, but the car is the same year, it's the same trim level, so as long as they're not too much, I'll take them all, and then I can, just in case mine don't match, then I'd have a matching set. There's a couple of plastic screws that hold the cowl on, and they're kind of weird, goofy things. And they're actually on this car, which is very surprising. It's the first time I've seen them on a car in the junkyard. Here's what I'm talking about. These are literally plastic screws. You can see they're flexible. And they're ridiculously long. And it's like, there's no way Ford would do something this stupid today. But this is, you know, this is old. And they didn't know better. Like, why would you not just use a simple push pin clip or something there? Took that piece of cowl off and I could see there's mice activity. It's not uncommon. It's one thing you got to watch out for with these cars is this area, not just mice. It actually has a good screen back there. But water can get in here and actually drip into the interior. And you can actually take these screws off, take this cowl piece off and reseal it. So from this car I got the driver's door module. Got this part, which, oh, that did break off completely now, so don't need that. And then the door threshold trim. That sucks. Oh, and the other one just like fell off too. There's a circuit board in there because this is part of the compass. There's a wiring harness that goes in there. So that's not a problem with mine. It's just that these little tabs break off so easily. These are both broken. Just checking my list here, and I wanted to see if they had console dividers for the center console that flips down, and the seats are gone, so that's not even there. One item that seems to be in hot demand on these cars is these chrome rub strips in the bumpers. On this generation, you have one on each corner of the car, and it's common to see them gone in the junkyard. And there's another piece here. This chrome piece around the license plate and the backup lights. This peels over time. The chrome gets wrinkly. This one's bent, so it's no good, but that's another in-demand piece. And the letters too. That's lots of people are looking for those. I have a little collection of spare parts for my town car. I think a lot of people that have older cars you know, if you're a car guy and you can do things yourself, you tend to have a little collection of spare parts. This is the most Panther platform cars I've seen here. Crown Vics, Grand Marquis, town cars. So we've got a Crown Vic here. Got, I think, a Grand Marquis here. We got another Grand Marquis. We got another Grand Marquis. We got a town car over there. But none of them have that rear view mirror part that I'm looking for. Well, I found some town car parts. I didn't find a Comanche daytime running light relay. Didn't find a Ford Explorer with a 5-liter. And there's no Fox body Mustangs either. Well, I got some town car parts anyway. $10. It's all I wanted for that stuff. I think last time I paid $20 for that driver's door module there. So $10 for everything. I'm like, I gotta hurry up and pay before you change your mind. It's a good deal.